Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel a pre-bid on Whatnot. Now if you want to cancel a pre-bid on Whatnot but you know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. And for those of you wondering what is an Whatnot, Whatnot is a live shopping marketplace where you can shop, sell and connect around the people and also bid on the items that are on the sale on the Whatnot app. So to cancel the pre-bid, you just need to open the Whatnot app on your device. So make sure that you have installed the Whatnot app. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the Whatnot app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Whatnot, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So you just need to click on the option of the activity, which is at the very bottom taskbar, and here you'll see the option of purchase, bid, offers and all of it. So you just need to click on the option of bids, and here you'll see the bids or the pre-bids which you have done. So here you just need to find the bid which you have placed or the pre-bids which you have placed, and if the cancellation is allowed, there should be an option called cancel bid or the option next to your pre-bid amount. So click on the option of cancel and confirms, and if the cancellation option is not available, then you just need to contact the Whatnot support team through the help center, and you just need to message the seller if they can remove your bid. So the important thing is that not all the pre-bids can be cancelled, so double check before placing the one, and if that is available, then you may simply find it on the bids section and you may simply cancel it from here. So that's it. That's how you can cancel the pre-bid on Whatnot. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.